Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the total market cap of the Nasdaq to see where the tech stocks are going to be opening. I'm in positions now, about 30% cash. The rest is deployed in tech stocks and cryptocurrencies, and I will buy if we pull back lower, but I'm watching for a big drop on Bitcoin, so it's better I exit positions to see if Bitcoin stabilizes first. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in the video. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in, and the market is opening green in pre-market, about even on tech stocks in pre-market. SUI's down 5%, FXS down, Meta up a little bit, pretty much no movements in the markets at all. Bitcoin, the trades are the same, 20,000 activation of the big trade, smaller trade on the blue channel line, and it looks like it's coming down to activate. It came close but hasn't hit it for this morning's trade. But you can see Bitcoin is just in this range since the 18th of August, between 26,300, 25,700, about a $600 range. We respect this range and we just trade it up and trade it down. So that long is still the one that it would take, and then the short after it comes back down again. And the bigger play is coming down to this 20k line and then going massively long on Bitcoin. So where would I open a trade on Bitcoin? I would take a bounce from here. I would set the same trade, opening at 25,853, stop loss 25,785, take profit at 26,843. This spike here, previous resistance. Risk to reward of this trade is 14 times, risking $68 to make 990 per Bitcoin. 10x leverage 9,900, 100x leverage 99,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Longer term, what I want to do is I want to start stacking more Bitcoin. I'm worried that it's going to drop off here to 20k. So it's quite a big drop. That drop, if it does play out, we're talking about a 23% drop on Bitcoin. So it will wipe hundreds of billions of dollars from, or $100 billion from Bitcoin's market cap if that happens. So quite dangerous. So I've got to be monitoring it closely. At the moment, it's just holding on in this channel. But if we look at the bigger picture, it is overbought and it is a rising triangle, rising wedge. So I should close out positions here. But it's still holding. If it does seem to break from here, 20k, I'm going to lower some positions in case it does drop off. And I've got buy orders set down to buy more as it comes down. So Bitcoin, I have 38,000, not so much. So it's okay to keep. Uniswap, 36,000, that would drop off a lot, but I've got buy orders going down. Doge, 23,000, pretty small amount anyway. MCRT, 23,000, FXS, 8,500, which I'll buy as it comes down. But these can get cut in half if it drops like this. That's the only thing. Better I deleverage, get out of positions. So not all, but take like 50% off the table and rebuy if we come down. So I'm going to sell 50% of Bitcoin at the current price. I'm going to sell 50% of Uniswap at the current price, but I like Uniswap. But I'm just worried that we break to the downside here. 50% of Uniswap, 18,000 at the current price. I'm just closing about 50% of the positions. Uni, Doge. Doge I'll keep because I think Elon can at any moment announce something. So there we go. And then I've got buy orders already coming down. So you can see here I've got buy orders for Uniswap, FXS, Uniswap, Doge, BNB as it comes down. So that's my updates on Bitcoin. Let's check out the Nasdaq now. Let's check out the Nasdaq. So that's for Bitcoin, and it looks like we could have a big pullback. Nasdaq is slightly up. It's in this Elliott wave count, playing out nicely on this Elliott wave count. Fourth to fifth wave, ending at about 14,400, and then getting out because then ABC correction on the Nasdaq, which it's close to already. Can actually take profits here, but there is heavy resistance. But I think it will run up to 14,470, so 1,000 points on the Nasdaq. But then after that, it's ABC correction time, guys. Everything you saw here, you can learn to do down below under the video. Take the courses, trade on Bybit using that link. You get a 30,000 bonus. Trade with the other traders, and you can see some of the gains from my students. 65,000 I made that day. This guy, 163,000, $10,000 profit. 104,000. Make sure you take the courses before you join. $42,000 profit. The Telegram, $104,000 profit. $67,000 profit. These are all in the Telegram, the free link that I showed you. 175,000 that day. This guy, 104,000, 1,400%, 860%, 16,000, 47,000. Some of the, and you can see there's pages and pages of these. Watch. page is going back from a long time, about 4 years, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.